In this video we're going to show you how to remove the front seat from an Audi A3 8P. It's years 2004 to 2012. The tools you'll need for the job are an M10 spline bit with a ratchet and a small flat screwdriver. So to remove the seat, slide it all the way forward to get access to the bolts at the back. You might also have to jack the seat to the top position to get access. There's 4 bolts in total holding the seat in, one on each corner. So undo these back two first. It's using an M10 spline. Now the front 2 bolts, slide the seat back so you can get access to those. Again, there's one on each front corner. Now to undo the wiring, there's a small cover here. Using your flat screwdriver, flick that up at the front and that will fold out the way. And the wiring here, little tab there pushes in from each side. And the plugs, there's one for the airbag. So push that little tab back out the way and that'll slide out of its holder. And that undoes by sliding the white section back and that will come apart. On the other one, the little tab lifts away and that pulls up, and then on the large back plug push the tab in, and again that should split from the part on the car. Now you can remove the seat from the vehicle, hold it at the front and the back, pick it up, twist towards you and take it out.